Hey there! Today I'm going to be looking at one of my recent Amazon purchases, Rockin Green Activewear Laundry Detergent. So I don't know if you have seen ads for this product, but I was pretty taken by the different ads that I saw where people were soaking their clothes in their bathtub with a scoop of this, and their bathtub water was turning like a murky, muddy, brown, black color. I was pretty interested, and I wanted to make sure that my clothes were cleaner than the clothes that those people had. So while this was a little bit more expensive than what I typically spend on laundry detergent, I want to say it was around $20 when I purchased it, I wanted to give it a try. So I'm going to be really honest with you guys. There were two different types of clothing that made me really want to purchase this product and very hopeful that the product would work. The first were my sports bras. So I kept finding that band area of my sports bra, no matter how hot of water I used, no matter what detergent I used, somehow it still smelled kind of funky the next time I started to exercise. So I got kind of tired of throwing away my sports bras. I was looking for a great solution to make them actually smell clean again. The other thing is, someone in my family has some very funky feet. And so I was hoping that I could soak their socks in this and it would eliminate that funky smell that somehow seemed to start from the moment they stuck those socks on their feet. So there are actually two different ways that you can use this laundry detergent. The first way is just the traditional laundry way. You throw your clothes in, you throw a scoop of this in for HE machines, or you throw 2 scoops in for just regular washing machines, and you wash your clothes like normal using this as your laundry detergent. The other way, and the much more fun way, is to soak your clothes in this for, I think it says 30 to 60 minutes, and then after it has soaked, you run your clothes through a regular laundry cycle without adding any additional laundry detergent. So of course I wanted to soak my clothes in the bathtub because I wanted to see if that water turned funky like the ads that I had seen for this product. So I was a little disappointed. I got my stuff, I put it in the bathtub, turned the water on, added a couple of scoops of this, let it sit for an hour. I went back to check it, and I mean, the water wasn't crystal clear, but it wasn't anywhere near the grossness that I had seen in other people's videos or the pictures that I saw on Amazon. So honestly, I was kind of disappointed. I wanted to see some funky stuff come out of my clothes, and that just didn't happen. So then I took the clothes and threw them in the washing machine, ran it on the hot cycle with no additional laundry detergent, threw it into the dryer, and it smelled pretty good. The next time I wore that sports bra, normally by the first couple of minutes of running, I can already start to smell the funkiness. It actually smelled quite a bit better. Certainly much, much better than the detergent I had been using. So the next test was on those funky socks. So I stuck the socks in actually the sink in the laundry room because it was easier to move from the laundry room to the washing machine versus carrying it all the way from the bathtub. So I threw those socks in the sink, added a scoop of this, let those bad boys soak for about an hour and a half, and then again washed it through on the hot cycle, no additional laundry detergent added, threw it into the dryer, and I do think this made a significant difference in those socks. So overall, very happy with this product. A couple of things that it says on the back that you might not be able to see. It does say it's safe for sensitive skin. It is a plant-based product, and it says that this product is specifically designed for safely cleaning technical fabrics. So it is meant for activewear and all of those stretchy activewear type materials, but it honestly worked great on cotton socks as well. So if you are interested in this product, of course, I've included a link to it in the video description. That way, if you click on that, it'll take you directly to it. And it is my affiliate link with Amazon. Drop me a line if you've used this before. Let me know what you thought, if it worked out as well for you as it did for our family. Thanks.